What day is it today?
Sunday.
So it's Sunday and it's our second episode of our Sunday vlogs. So today is anong date ngayon anak? March 23? March 23 Sunday, and we're going to church, no? So we're going to Victory Church in Lemketkay Center. So see you later, alligator. Bye bye.
Today we are in Lemketkay. We are going to church in Lemketkay CDO.
Victory CDO.
Dad, sister. Saan pag-turn?
Ha?
I-turn.
Patuyok ni mo, you click ka na. Pag hindi, you have to press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Na. Hindi, mabuya na. Hindi na pwede matagag ka.
Or else, Papa will be mad.
Gusto niyo yung balik yung mga straight things.
So, update later. Hi guys, my name is Kiona and I'm 8 years old. Today I will be going to church, and then after church I will go to Jollibee.
Yeah, after church.
After church, when we're done with church, and I'm very excited. Kuya's right there, the first thing, and then my papa, my guwapo na papa, and my guwapo na kuya. Shout out to Mama Lira. I love you, Mama. Pinakagwapa na ako na Mama. I love my pinakagwapa na Mama.
Ikaw, pag-sign up sama dito. Go. And then, hi, teacher. Hello. Yo, kau you sign up, go. Sign up. You go sign up.
Surely we can say that you are going to encounter God in a very wonderful way. And surely I can say, we can all say as the scripture declares in Psalm 119 verse 24, it says, surely this is the day that the Lord has made.
Manami og church. And Yona, come. We are now going to the new open apartment in Lemketkay, Spin City. A skating rink for skating. All right there, guys.
So we're here at...
Poisonous.
That's okay. Potatoes are green, right? So we're here at Jollibee because last week si Robin gusto mag ribs and bibs, right? Rotizado, but nag-away man sila. Ako nagbot ribs and bibs siya karon, nagsabot may nga next time si Kiona magbot. So Kiona chooses her favorite Jollibee. So yeah, that's why I had a palabok. Kiona has spaghetti, ha?
Great, yeah.
Huh?
Great.
No need na siguro. I think mama is calling na. Napaparoon na. Hello pa. Ano, niyudto pa mi pa. Niyudto pa mi dito sa Jollibee. Hay! Na. Pamanin silang Kiona. O, diri namin na nito. Nito mi Jollibee. Wala ko sa dami diya. Ha? Namin diri Jollibee man nagkaon mi. Di sa USTP. Wala ko sa media. Okay pa, see you in a while. Bye-bye. Paparoon na, sa asan na daw ta? Abi nila dito ta mag-lunch. Nag-prepare sila lunch.
Yes. I've been so good.
Okay.
The spaghetti, of course, will be an infinity out of 10.
So, how do you rate spaghetti?
Infinity out of 10.
Infinity out of 10.
And then I think ten over 10.
10 over 10. French fries? 8 out of 10. Okay. Sama na yung food, Robin. Fish fillet, pepper, with pepper sauce. And your burger. So, how does it taste ang ilang chicken fillet?
Amazing.
Rate, 1 to 10.
I think everything here is 10.
So, good for kids lugar ang food, no? Kid-friendly food.
And the fish fillet is 9.7.
Fish fillet is
9.9.
9.9 out of 10. Okay. Enjoy eating.
Nag-record?
Yeah, yan na ka mag-talk ako sa gawas.
Go out.
Robin,
We are done eating. So we're done eating lunch in Jollibee, and then now we're gonna visit our Lolo's house. Yeah, and then if it will not rain, then we will go walking in the avenue. Yeah, in the avenue. We're going to Agusan. We're going to Papa's house. We're going to Agusan. Our Lolo.
So, we're going to their grandpa's house, Papa Ron Rob. See you in a while to visit their Lolo. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
No,
Yes. Okay, guys, we're almost here in our Lola's home. And how dare you shush me?
What barangay is this?
Barangay Agusan. And after, if it's not gonna rain, but it looks pretty rainy. But if it's not gonna rain, then we're gonna go walking I mean hiking,
I don't
somewhere.
like hiking. I'm afraid of heights.
We're not gonna hike on a mountain, bro.
Oh.
Jeez, totally, guys. Anyways, we'll see you later. Okay, we are now here. This is my tito's car. And that is my cousin's car. We're gonna ring the doorbell to make sure that we're here.
Hello.
Hi, Tito. We're here. Uy, Pablo! Uy, Nana! Durkee! Say hi to the vlog! Say hi, vlog!
Say hi to the vlog. What's up, brother?
Muna akong cousin, guys.
Di ba ka kasing friends mo?
Uy, saan ko ginuangoy?
Kayo, bye.
This is my Lola's house. Say hi! Hi, Tita.
Hi! Hi, vlog! Hi!
Nana! Nana! Wala ka ba? Wala maging na ni Mama.
Hi, guys! Si Tita Rona! Abigin si Karoli mo, nag-vegetables eh. Tawa na ba eh? Kabalo ko ba? Oh! I know it. Pablo, sinado ni mo?
Vlog na itong Heroes Hill. Ipatanong ako.
Dili man, layo kaya na dia.
Dili.
Ha?
Doon ra.
Wala, gisirado.
Ayaw, isirado. Heroes Hill.
Ako be.
Close.
Heroes Hill in Barangay Agusan. Sige na ko, inside tayo kay close oh. Sirado. Heroes Hill, gisirado. Butang agpuan kay babag. Iba ba yung shoes?
Mag-ilis daw mi.
Sa? Wala, t-shirt akong dala. Hi, Hana! Very beautiful. Kaya ang baby Hana. Uy, here's yung motorcycle, boy. Uy,
Pakapalo sila.
So, nakaulit na dahil no? Nakaulit na mi. Yes, how's your day?
Good.
Visiting your lolo.
Very fun.
Yeah, so what are you doing now? Making assignments. Okay, so what time is it now? It's 7:55 PM na. So mo'y pag-abot na mo sa balay. Diretso din sila himo ilang assignment. Okay, Monday na tomorrow. So again, thank you for watching our Sunday Vlogs episode 2. Okay, so what will you say? Until next time, see you in our vlogs. Bye-bye.
See you in episode 3.
See you in episode 3.
Sunday vlogs.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.